Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to log into eOffice through VPN access. Before going into the video, we need to know why we use VPN access. Nowadays, due to COVID situation and lockdown throughout the country, most of the times we are working through electronic means. And eOffice is also one of those methods by which we are working through electronic means. So here, if we work through NIC internet, eOffice can be accessed from anywhere. But if that internet is not provided by NIC, then we cannot log into eOffice. So in order to log into eOffice through any other network than NIC internet, we require VPN access. Now we will see how we can log in through VPN access. To get a VPN access, first we have to go to S-Access VPN. You can search from here S-Access VPN. This is the web address. This is the URL saccess.nic.in. Click here. And under sign in, give your email address. And in password, you give your password. And then click on sign in. If you see here under sign in, there is one drop down box: email token, SMS token, mobile token. So here you can select any one of these. You can select one of these. I am selecting SMS token. Then I am clicking on get OTP. So when you click on get OTP, you will receive one OTP in your mobile. Now enter your OTP. After entering OTP, just click on sign in. This is the process to get VPN access. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to this page. So here also you can see two options. One is eOffice COG, second one Web VPN test. This Web VPN test we don't use here. So now we have to click on eOffice COG. Click on eOffice COG, then it will take you to eOffice home page. This is the home page of eOffice. From here, same process, and in the login ID field, you give your email ID, and password field, give password. Then click on login. Now you are logged in into your eOffice. This is the process to log in through VPN access. If you are working from home, or if you are working from any other internet, any mobile internet, it may be either Jio, Vodafone, Airtel, Idea, or any other, or if you are using any other Wi-Fi, you have to log in through VPN access. For that, you need to go to saccess.nic.in. From there, you have to log in with your email ID and password. Then you will get OTP. Then after entering OTP, you will be taken to the home page of eOffice. So in the home page, you need to enter your email ID and password. Then you will be logged in into eOffice. That's it, friends, in this video. I hope accessing eOffice from VPN is clear to you now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.